Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we will learn how we can read the Instagram feed and display the Instagram feed in our own website without using any third-party app. So let's begin. Firstly, we need to log into our Facebook developer site, which is developer.facebook.com. So once you log into developer Facebook, you need to log in with your Facebook account. I will use my own personal one. Let's use this one. And so once you're logging into the Facebook developer Facebook, you need to create the app, and that app actually sits between the Instagram feed and your website, which means the app will help you to get the information from the Instagram so that you can use that information or that feed to render in your own website. So let's first create the Facebook app. So let's get started, and I agree. Next, and create first app and give any name. I will say, since I'm using Ariana Bajajari, I'll call it Ariana as my Facebook app name. And I'm not a robot. Select modern profile. I hope. Yep. So now we have got our Facebook app, and this is the very first step. So what we need now is that Instagram graphic. Not this one. Sorry, it's Instagram basic display. So just click setup and scrolling over here, create new app. Yeah, create app, and okay. So if you click on the basic display and scroll down, what we now need is to create the Instagram tester. The goal is using the Instagram tester to generate this long-lived access token of Instagram. That token will actually help you to give access to your to the Instagram feed. So let's add the Instagram tester. You will understand it later, like once we continue with this video, and once we achieve the result, then you will understand better, so in the Instagram tester, just click add Instagram tester, and you need to assign one Instagram account, but make sure that that account that you are using for the tester should be the public account, means that account should be publicly accessed. So I'm using this account as a tester, and click submit. Right, so you can see it's pending. So the next thing what we need to do is we need to log into the Instagram. So Instagram, so when I was saying the account should be public, it means something like this. So you can directly see access this dummy browser Instagram account without logging. So you need to choose such type of account. You can't choose the private one. So just log in. So let's log into the Instagram account. Let's choose. And once you log in, go to the settings. So go to profile and go to app and website. And in the app and website, if you the best invider, you will see the app that we created is sending the request. So just need to accept it. So and now if you go back here, you see the spending. But if you refresh, so it's done. So we need to go to the basic dashboard. Okay. Okay, now our next step is to generate the token. So click generate token and log into your done by the try account. Need the password. Come on. I forget my password. Come on. Okay, nice. So click not now and it's asking, hi dummy, the Ariana app is requesting to do the following. It means it wants to access your profile, your media, and we need to say click authorize, which means we are giving authorize to this app to access the Instagram account. So this is the most important in this token. So you need to click I understand and you need to copy this token. And the next magical step is to use that token and write some code so that we can read the feed. So let's do that. Let's open the Visual Studio Code, and in this Visual Studio Code I won't show you, I won't write here all the code one by one. Instead I will show you what I have written. So the main code is over here. So this is our main code. So what I am doing is I'm creating this class called social feed service, and I got this method get Instagram content when where I'm passing that token that we just generated, and this is our magical code. So you need to create a new HTTP client object, and this is the main query that we need to get to read some of the properties from the Instagram feed, like username, ID, timestamp, caption, media URL, and most importantly this SS token. And that SS token we are getting from here, and the rest is build the full URL and write some code. You can see over here, and this will actually give you the result from the Instagram feed. So once you get the response, what I'm doing is I'm just checking if the response is not null, and I'm using the JavaScript serialize to deserialize that result so that we get the result in a JSON format. and this will be easy for us to to do to display that result in our view. So I'll just debug and show you later, but I'll firstly like to take you through the code completely. So the next thing is we need to add a view. So I'm actually building this in my Umbraco app. It can you can use you can use the same code. Not necessarily it should be the Umbraco. You can build any ASP.NET app or anything. Like the main thing is this code. So the view. So we need a view. So I have created a module for this one, Instagram pencil, and this is the view that I'm using. So you can see my Instagram feed, and so this is the main view, right? So my Instagram feed. So once you get the result, so see in the view, I'm calling this service. I'm calling this social feed service, and I'm calling this method, and I'm passing that Instagram token. So once you pass that token, it will give you the result, and you can just I'm creating this Instagram media content 100 plus, so that you can easily read each property and use it in your view, and not necessarily that it should be the same class. You can create your own class and name it differently. But once you have that result and you convert that result into this your strongly type class, then you can easily read the property like media URL, permanent link, the username, caption, which is nothing but this thing. This is your username, this is the caption, this is the photo image, and I'm adding some styling class, which is not necessary for this video, but you can add your own styling to display like how you want to actually show your Instagram feed. Now our main goal is to pass that Instagram token. Since I'm building this through Umbraco, and I'm passing that token through the CMS, but instead of passing that through the CMS, I will directly hard coded that token over here. So string let's call token, and so let's get the string token and let's pass that token over here. So at the moment the token is empty, so if you build it and I put some debugging point over here, and if we attach to our process click reference, I'm running as admin, right? Oh, come on. Okay, so you just attach it here, and what is the error that I'm getting over here? Response as well does not indicate success. Exactly. Okay, let's refresh it and see what's going on. So you can see it's being heated. This is not the right code. Let's ignore that. Okay, and you can see it's hit to that method, and it's create a client, right? Response. But if you look at the token is empty. That is why it is giving that error. So you need to pass that token, right? So we can copy that token from here, generate token. Oh god, we lost the token. Okay, let's generate it again. Sorry, my bad. Generate token. I hope. Oh, we are, I thought I haven't copied it. We don't need to do that because I already copied that token. So you can just paste that token over here. So go over there in your view. And let's copy and paste this token. So once that token is there, if you now refresh this, what will happen? Come on, okay. And let's put the debugging point on here as well. Control plus star, all star. I'm not sure why the software is not working. Anyway, let's go to the. So let's debug it. And then see. Now we got this response. See this response? Beautiful, isn't it? We are getting some response. Now over here, I'm deserializing that response to my own stronger type, like class, so that when you get the data, like I can just get the data in this format. This will be easy for me to, just render. So if you come to the view now, maybe it doesn't hit over there, but let's press it and let's refresh it again. Let's refresh it again, and let's go to F5, and you can see the result over here. 6 result, nice. So it's up to you, like how you want to display this data. So you can see we have got the 6 posts in this dummy buzzer Instagram account, and if there is any update in this Instagram, it can be reflected over here. So I will use my mobile because I tried to delete that from here to delete this one, because I can't. I'm not sure why I can't. Share link, but let's suppose I delete that post from my mobile. So just wait for me. Okay, so I have deleted this post from my mobile. So if you refresh this one, see, it doesn't exist. But if you look at your side, it does. But if you refresh, then the magic happen. See, that post is now deleted, which means your module is actually showing you only the post that exists in your Instagram account. Okay, so we achieved what we needed. And one thing to remember is that the token that we have used, it will only work for 60 days. Means it will expire after 60 days. However, in my next video, I will show you how you can validate that token so that it doesn't expire. Like it means we can refresh that token and make it authorized for 160 days, so that we don't need to generate a token again and again, which I will show in my next video. Anyway, I hope you like my video, and I hope this will help you to uh, read the Instagram feed and show in your own website. See you guys. Thank you for watching this video. Bye. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and like this video. Thank you.